Hello all and welcome to the Brickley Collection. The King here, and in true Curiosity Inc. tradition, I'm going to do a little unboxing video. Just got my box from Curiosity Inc. right out of Canada. Appreciate that they're still in business and shipping in these times. And this is actually my first unboxing video, so we're just going to give it a go and we're going to let you guys see what I got. Kind of hard doing it with a camera, but we'll try. Kill ourselves with a knife. Not sure how these YouTube people do it, but I do not have a tripod or anything. Hand holding. That's old Junior down there, came in for the festivities. Very excited about this box. Anytime you get Curiosity Inc. packages, always a good time. Now we're talking. Let's start with our first piece. This is the Rush poster, one of my favorite bands, Rush. This is nice. Set this down here. So yeah, that's Rush. I absolutely love Rush. Actually, if I remember correctly, I think I have... Yep, there's a Rush ticket from Market Square Arena, one of their early shows. Always been a Rush fan. This is beautiful. We'll get it to one of my framers. And that's pretty cool. That was signed. It's a limited edition. Love it. This has to be the case. Some ET figures. So, let's get them all out. Stuff moved around a little bit, but all looks okay. There's the big fella himself. Little E.T. And a man down here. Oh, Elliot. Okay. This must be in here. Wow. This is beautiful. That's going to be where all of them sit, and then the case. Oh, I got my Avro hat. Been a hat collector for a long time, as you can see from the top there. These are all hats to events I've been to, hats that people have given me, sent me from record companies to movie companies. All of them are pretty great. Old Taco Bell, Michael Jordan's Place, HBO, John from Cincinnati, and the list just goes on and on. So this will be added to the hat collection, which is nice. And to one-hand this and not destroy it. Okay. I'll set you down for a second. Oh, go back and look at the video where these were all set up. Reposition these guys. Oh, not Drew Barrymore. My niece was in a movie with Drew Barrymore. The one about her first kiss. My niece was a denominator. Little flashlight. Gonna have to make sure I get all my pieces. Oh, there he is. It's a nice ET. Got a little ET right here. There's some Friends shoes from season 4. Yeah, there you are, kid. Looking at yourself. Little ET right there. And we'll find a spot for him. There you go. I will be good. Thanks, ET. Oh. There he is in his sweatshirt. Looking good. It's awesome. There he is over there, life size. Most of the things in my collection are screen used. This actually isn't. It's just a replica prop of him, but was pretty cool and I liked it. Oh, there's my switchblade comb. Gotta like that. Awesome. Fire that up. And then there's a Doctor Who Yahtzee set. Beautiful. Pretty great. And a Lionel. Absolutely love this. This is a Disney train, which is going to be great. So let me set you down again.